In this video I'm going to show you how to make zoodles out of zucchini or other veggie noodles. This way you can make gluten-free pasta that your body will love with the help of this simple tool. It's called a spiralizer. My name is Peggy from PeggySchimmer.com. I warmly welcome you to this channel called Gut Feelings. There to support you to become your own health expert, so you have all the energy you need to manifest your dreams and to share your unique gifts with the world. So let's look into the vegetable noodles, the zoodles. I'm going to demonstrate how to make vegetable noodles for you, gluten-free pasta within seconds. It's so easy, and the advantage of that is not only it's super quick, it's also raw, meaning it's rich in minerals, it contains all the vitamins, nothing gets destroyed. Kids usually love it, it looks nice, it's just the best alternative to the normal wheat noodles, and it's gluten-free on top. So let's get started. In case you haven't seen this before, this is called a spiralizer. Yeah, you basically put the vegetable in here and then you press it and you just turn. It's very easy. And for this spiralizer, normally these spiralizers are made out of plastic. I don't really like plastic, and they're also bigger. I like the small one. And then they have, this one has two things to put in, one small noodles and one for bigger noodles. And if you leave them out completely, you get discs. Super simple to clean. Put the form maker in the hole to the left and then you just click it. Super simple, like that. And then this thing is really cool. I mean, it's simple, but it's very practical. So you see this device here. This helps to fix it on the surface, so you don't have to hold it. So basically it's just like that. Press that down here, and now it's like really super fixed, you know. Okay, let's make noodles. And then comes the best part. Kids, by the way, love this part, and me too. I'm a kid inside. So then you just turn. See? So, and now count. How many seconds did that take? And it's finished, you know? This is perfect. Look at these beautiful zoodles. And the great thing is you can not only use zucchini for doing that, you can also make cucumber noodles. I love cucumber noodles, really refreshing in summer. It's fresh, it's juicy. Or you can also use kohlrabi. Yeah, you just cut it like in a longer piece and then push it through. You can use celery as well, having a bit like more like an earthy noodle taste. You can eat them raw, but you can also cook them if you like. Sweet potatoes go very well, and carrots, of course. You have these red, fresh noodles, awesome, super tasty. Now guys, in the next video I'm going to share with you my 3 favorite pasta sauces that you can put on top of the zoodles or the vegetable noodles, the vegetable spaghetti. So you get an awesome dish, fresh, satisfying, full of vitamins and minerals to help your body thrive, to help your body heal. And it's delicious on top. So check out the next video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments below. And I love to welcome you to our Gut Feelings community. Just press the logo and you're going to be subscribed to this channel so you can always get the newest information, and we're going to stay in touch throughout these videos. I'll see you in the next video. Pasta ahoy! Ciao!